So these are the SkullCandy Dime 3. Let's go ahead and get them unboxed here. So we're going to see what comes in the box. All right, nice little packaging. All right, that looks to be it. Yep. Let's put that off to the side. So first thing comes with, we have a USB-A to USB-C cable. Next, we have the SkullCandy Dime 3 user guide. And now we have the SkullCandy earbuds here. Nice little packaging. Minimal. Have the wrapping here. Let's get this off. Okay, nice case. Love the branding here for SkullCandy. And then you do charge it via USB-C. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this open. All right, so we open it from here and we reveal the lovely SkullCandy Dime 3 in white. Perfect. Have your left and right earbud. And that is the simple unboxing here. Comes with a nice little clip here that you can attach to anything that you want. Overall, very good. Let's go ahead and take these out and let's take a closer look at them here. Overall, they're pretty good. Let's see if we can focus a little bit better. Nice SkullCandy branding right there. And here's the other one. Overall, very good. So let's put these back in the case right here. Close this up and we'll keep the cable. And that is everything that the SkullCandy Dime 3 earbuds come with.